PaperCrafts, and I have a couple of really quick tips for you guys with regards to these drawer units that are in these storage cubes. These are from Michael's and Hobby Lobby, and one of the things that I think a lot of people have trouble with is sometimes there's a drawer like this drawer right here and it sticks and it doesn't seem like it wants to really fit in there right. And one of the things that I realized when I was kind of moving things around is that even though these three drawers look like they're the same size, this drawer is actually slightly bigger and it should go down at the bottom. So if we switch these two drawers around, you're going to see that this drawer is going to fit much better. So let me go ahead and do that and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and switched the two drawers around, and now you can see that this drawer here just opens so much easier. It fits in there so much better. And then this drawer at the bottom also is working much better. Now, one of the other things I wanted to mention was that sometimes you might get a drawer that squeaks or makes a lot of noise, or it's hard to push in and out. And usually it's the bottom drawer, because the top drawer has, let me take this one out so I can show you. The top and the second drawer have these plastic drawer guides that the drawer kind of sits on. So it slides back and forth a lot easier. The last cube doesn't have that. It sits right on the actual cube and it doesn't have any drawer glides at all. Let me take this out. This drawer is kind of heavy. So you can see in here that that drawer just sits right on the bottom of this cube. And you can even see that it kind of hits the cube. It makes marks on the cube. And that's why the bottom drawer is so much harder to pull in and out of the cube. So I have a tip for you guys on how you can make that better. And so I'm going to show you a couple of things that you can do to your drawer to make it glide in and out much easier. So I took out this drawer from my storage cube, and this particular drawer squeaks a little bit, and it also has a little bit of a hard time when I pull it in and out. It doesn't glide very smoothly. So I want to fix this. And I've had problems with squeaking drawers in some of my other storage cubes, and I had a couple that were so bad they sounded like fingers on a chalkboard. It was just obnoxious. So I really wanted to figure out how I could fix it. And so I kind of did some research on the internet, and I found a couple of different really quick and easy things that you can try to see if this will help you with your squeaky drawers. And it also will help with making the drawer glide easier in and out of the cube. So you can use a candle or any kind of a wax, if you have like a furniture wax or a surfboard wax, ski wax, anything like that. Or you could just use a bar of soap. And either one of these would work, just as good. I think that you probably want to stick with a light color like a white or an off-white, because when you do this, it's going to transfer that wax to the drawer and it will leave some residue there. And the first time I tried this, I actually used an old candle I had, and it was a dark red color. And then I ended up having red wax all over the bottom of my drawer, and then it was all over the bottom of my cube. So I would definitely recommend using a white or a light colored candle or soap. So what you're going to do is you're going to turn your drawer over, and then you're just going to take your candle or your soap and just rub it along the edge of the drawer, all four sides. And then once you do this, it should make your drawer stop squeaking and also help it to glide more smoothly in and out of the cube. So I just had this quick tip for you guys today, and if you like this video, please give it a like. If you would like to see more videos, please subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.